Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best ratcheting screwdriver that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's starts this videos. Starting at number 5, we have molework 20% profile mini ratchet. If you've ever tried to tighten or loosen screws in tight spots where a straight-handled screwdriver won't fit, consider the molework low-profile mini ratchet screwdriver. It comes with 20 bits, featuring an assortment of Phillips head bits, slotted bits, Torx bits, and hex bits. It comes with a strong magnet in the head so bits don't fall out. No onboard storage because this tool is just too small, but the bits fit in 2 plastic holders that can be easily stored together in a drawer. Right off the bat, we'll tell you that the molework isn't suitable for tightening or loosening stuck screws in dense materials because it doesn't come with a handle large enough to grip with a fist. But that's not what it's designed to do, anyway. Moving on at number 4, we have Work Pro multi-bit screwdriver set. The Work Pro ratcheting screwdriver features a non-slip grip and solid feel, making it easy to get a firm grasp on the handle. The tool stores 6 3.5-inch double-ended bits in its base, which gave us 12 different bits to choose from, including slotted, Phillips head, star, and Torx. The bits themselves are magnetic, rather than the head, but they remained firmly in the tool, even when they shook it upside down. The directional collar switches smoothly from left to right. The longer bits gave the tool greater reach, and the head comes with a metal, pull-back release that, along with the magnetic bits, keeps the bits firmly in place during use. At number 3, we have Bako ratchet bit screwdriver. If you've ever struggled to hold a flashlight in one hand while wielding a screwdriver with the other, the Bako ratcheting screwdriver might just be the tool for you. They were impressed not only with the solid feel and non-slip, ergonomic grip of this tool, but they were also awestruck with how bright the little LED light was. The directional collar on the Bako switches directions smoothly, and the screwdriver's ratcheting action is smooth. They inserted screws into pine, ash, and walnut boards, and the Bako didn't miss a beat, even when they exerted force. There's a tiny bit of play in the shaft, which they would have preferred not to be there, but it wasn't enough to affect the tool's performance. At number 2, we have Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver. The first product on this list comes from a well-known brand, Craftsman. For over a century, it has been involved with the development of tools that are tested for real-life endurance. The Craftsman CMHT 68001 ratcheting screwdriver is a multi-bit unit. This screwdriver is made up of vanadium steel, which makes it strong enough to sustain the twisting force. The chrome plating further increases the corrosion resistance of this screwdriver. By simply rotating the switch, you are ready to switch. Being a multi-bit unit, it comes with 26 bits of different sizes that fit the screwdriver perfectly. The handle of this screwdriver has a textured grip which offers enough torque while using it. A telescopic pickup tool is provided which is magnetized. It helps in picking up the metallic bits and placing them in the screwdriver. And finally at number 1, Klein Tools multi-bit screwdriver. Klein Tools is also a synonymous name when it comes to premium quality tools. By pouring its 150+ years of experience into product development, it produces professional-grade tools. It uses the highest quality materials to make its tools durable. The Klein Tools 32305 ratcheting screwdriver is also a multi-bit unit. It can accommodate a total of 14 bits of different sizes and a 1/4 inch nut driver in the inbuilt storage space. All the bits are made up of industrial-grade material and hence possess incredible strength and durability. This eliminates the need for carrying bits separately. The ratcheting mechanism is easily activated with a rotatable switch and offers 3 different modes. You can use this screwdriver with left-handed and right-handed screw threads. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.